I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Teams. Meetings are scheduled from the Calendar app, and from there I just choose the New button from the top right corner. In the New Meeting window, I give it a title, and this is going to be my team meeting. Now I add the attendees, and these can be people or groups in my organisation. So I start typing the names I want to add, and Teams will make suggestions. I'm going to add Amrit, Polly and Sarah, and the coaching team. If I want to invite people from outside of my organisation, I have to type their full email address. Now I can add the time and date, and when I've done that, it will tell me when the attendees are available. And I can see here that Amrit isn't available at the time I've chosen. So if I want a better view of when everyone is free, I can use the scheduling assistant. To get there, I just choose the tab at the top of the meeting window, and here I can see all the calendars of the participants I've already added, and I can add some new ones. I can move the meeting to another date by dragging it into an empty space, and I can change the time by taking the side handles and dragging them left and right. And as I do that, it will update all the attendees and the location status during that time. And now I'm happy with the time and date, I can go back to the Details tab. Now this is a weekly team meeting, so I want it to repeat, and we're going to have it every Wednesday. So I click into the repeat drop-down menu and I choose weekly, and then Wednesday, and then save. I also want to make my meeting a channel meeting. Now I do this because it posts the meeting details and the join button to the channel, and it's just another easy way for my team to join the meeting. So I click Add Channel, and I see a list of all the teams that I'm a member of, and I can expand the teams to see their channels. Now I'm going to choose the coaching team and the general channel, and I can only choose one. Now this will post the meeting details to the channel like this. And after the meeting's finished, it will add other useful info like the meeting recording. Now you can add a physical location to your meetings. So I have some meeting rooms set up for London and Manchester, and I'm going to choose London. I'm going to add a detailed description with an agenda. You can set your meeting details at the top of the New Meeting window too. So Show As is usually set to busy, and you can change that to choose how you want the meeting to display on everybody's calendar. Everyone who accepts this meeting will receive the same status, but they can change it afterwards if they want to. Choosing private will hide the meeting title and description from anyone looking at your calendar. I can also set categories, the time zone, and choose the response options. There's also an option for requiring registration. This is usually set to none, and you can leave it like that because this option is really just for webinars. When everything's set correctly, you can send your meeting invitation.